Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a daily expenses Excel sheet. First, let's set up your sheet. Begin by creating 5 essential columns: date, item, category, payment method, and amount. It is crucial to format the amount column as currency, perhaps with 2 decimal places, to ensure accurate financial representation. Also, choose a consistent date format, like mm/dd/yi, for effortless sorting and analysis later on. This foundational step is key to an organized expense tracker. Now, let's focus on entering your daily transactions. It is vital to record every single expense as soon as it occurs to maintain accuracy and completeness. Assign each transaction to a specific category, such as groceries, transportation, or entertainment. To ensure consistency and speed up your data entry, consider creating drop-down lists for your categories. This simple trick can save you a lot of time and prevent errors, making your sheet much more efficient. Once you have entered your data, it is time to analyze your spending. Implement simple SUM formulas to calculate your total spending for each category, giving you a clear overview. For more advanced insights, utilize pivot tables to summarize expenses by category, payment method, or even by month. Furthermore, creating simple charts, such as a pie chart for category breakdown or a bar chart for monthly spending, can visually highlight your spending patterns, offering valuable insights into your financial habits. Finally, let's talk about budgeting and review. Set realistic monthly budget limits for each expense category to gain better control over your spending. Make it a habit to regularly review your actual spending against these set budgets, perhaps once a week or every 2 weeks. This comparison will help you identify areas where you might be overspending. Adjust your budget as needed, based on your evolving financial goals and income, to ensure it remains effective and supportive of your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.